Let's just jump right in. Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're tackling something that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi novel, but it's happening right now. We're looking at a massive paradigm shift in central nervous system drug discovery, driven by a techbio company called Bexorg. If you've ever wondered why diseases of the brain, like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's, are just so incredibly tough to cure, and how we might actually overcome that, well, you're in exactly the right place. We're going to decode exactly how Bexorg is putting actual human biology at the absolute center of innovation.
So here's our roadmap for this explainer. We'll kick things off with a CNS drug crisis. Then we'll enter Bexorg. After that, we'll go inside the technology, look at some real-world validation, and finally wrap up with challenges and the future. Let's get right to it.
Section 1. The CNS drug crisis, and why our current methods are failing. To really grasp why Bexorg's platform is such a game-changer, we have to look at the massive hurdle they're trying to clear. 95%. Just let that sink in for a second. That is the staggeringly high failure rate of central nervous system clinical trials. I mean, think about what that actually means. Despite billions of dollars and literally the smartest minds in medicine working on this, more than 95 out of every 100 experimental drugs fail to make it to patients. The stakes are astronomically high, and honestly, it points to a fundamental flaw in how we develop these therapies.
Right, so what's causing that massive failure rate? Well, it comes down to a fatal translational gap. Traditionally, we test these drugs in animal models and in vitro, but here's the thing. A mouse's neural architecture is just vastly different from ours. It's kind of like practicing for a massive, high-stakes football game by playing, tennis. The skills just don't translate. A drug might look like a total miracle cure in a rodent, but then it completely misfires when it meets the immense, beautiful complexity of actual human brain biology.
Section 2. Enter Bexorg, a total paradigm shift in drug discovery.
Now this is where the story gets incredibly exciting. Bexorg's core mission is designed specifically to bridge that fatal gap we just talked about. Their goal? Generating clinically predictive human data before experimental therapies are ever tested on living patients. They aren't just trying to build a better mouse model. Actually, scratch that, they're bypassing animal models completely. By securing accurate, predictive human data up front, they drastically reduce clinical attrition and massively accelerate discovery timelines. It is a fundamental shift in the entire order of operations.
Section 3. Inside the technology. This is where hardware meets predictive AI.
I know the idea of securing actual predictive human brain data before clinical trials sounds a little bit like science fiction, but here's how they're actually doing it. The innovation hinges on a closed-loop relationship between two parts. First, the BrainEx Platform, which is essentially the biological hardware, and second, the Exo digital AI engine, which is the predictive software. Together, they create this continuous loop between physical biological testing and rapid machine learning.
So let's look at the hardware part first, because the sheer capability of BrainEx is awe-inspiring. This breakthrough technology actually takes donated, whole human brains after death and perfuses them with artificial blood. By doing this, BrainEx can literally keep these postmortem brains metabolically active for extended testing periods. It restores their molecular and cellular function. This means researchers can test small molecules, biologics, viral vectors, and lipid nanoparticles directly on living human tissue, completely eliminating the risk to living patients. It's just wild.
And all of that incredible physical testing feeds directly into the second half of the platform, the Exo digital AI engine. BrainEx is generating these massive, highly complex human brain datasets, right? Well, this closed-loop AI engine instantly digests that data and turns it into highly predictive intelligence. It evaluates target engagement, it discovers biomarkers, and it predicts pharmacokinetics. It's taking this raw, deeply complex human biology and turning it into a clear, predictive roadmap for drug developers.
Section 4. Real-world validation. Gaining industry traction.
Okay, so the theoretical science is incredible, but is it actually working in the real world? Yes, it absolutely is, and the industry is taking major notice. Bexorg has already raised over $42.5 million to scale this platform, and crucially, they've been backed by major endorsements, including grants from the Michael J. Fox Foundation, which is just huge in the neuroscience space, and they formed a major partnership with Biohaven. So this isn't just a lab experiment anymore, it's actively gaining momentum.
And honestly, the feedback from those partners really cements their credibility. Dr. Vlad Korik, the CEO of Biohaven, said that BrainEx gave them the confidence to advance 2 CNS drug programs because it showed target engagement and brain exposure in actual human tissue. He called it a true fast-forward for drug development. That right there is the ultimate validation. Pharmaceutical companies finally have proof that their drug is hitting the target in human tissue before they risk advancing it down the pipeline.
Section 5. Challenges and the future. A quick reality check and next steps.
Now, as groundbreaking as all of this is, we do need to be objective about the hurdles Bexorg still faces. They're still an early-stage platform, so right now they're focused heavily on strategic partnerships rather than offering a simple off-the-shelf product. Also, and this is absolutely crucial, the sensitive nature of this work requires rigorous, continuous ethical oversight. They're dealing with donated human tissues, and ensuring total compliance and respect is paramount. Because of all this, seeing the full commercial impact of this technology is going to take some time.
When we look at the final summary analysis, Bexorg earns a stellar 4.9 out of 5 stars. The pros are just undeniable. They are delivering outstanding scientific innovation with massive translational potential. The minor cons really just reflect the early commercial stage of the company right now. For anyone working on finding cures for central nervous system disorders, this ambition to put human biology right at the center of innovation makes this arguably one of the most exciting biotech platforms today.
Which brings us to one final big question. Are we entering a completely new era of CNS innovation? Look, Bexorg isn't just another shiny AI tool. It's a bold paradigm shift that puts real, actual human brain biology back at the starting line. If this scales the way they hope, it could literally crack the biggest challenge in modern medicine and fundamentally change how we cure the human mind. Take a moment to think about the sheer implications of that. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you in the next explainer.